It's NAB 2023. Well, it nearly is. It's the day before. We're just finishing setup. We're having a preview around the Marshall Electronics stand. We're here with Todd, as always. Hi, Todd. How you doing?
Good, real good.
Good, great.
Thanks for coming.
Our first one today for this year.
Just finished setting up,
and we're talking about your new POVs.
Yeah, so these are NDI HX3.
Right.
So one CAT cable to camera over network, AV over network.
Okay.
Plugged into a vMix, plugged into the network, remote content captured.
Yeah.
Very easy to set up. POV, video, audio, everything over CAT cable.
AV over IP and PoE.
That's right.
Absolutely. And so is this an existing sensor or is it a new sensor you've got in the...
So these, we have two versions coming out.
Yeah.
One with M12 and one with the CS mount that you see here.
Okay.
And then one with HD, which is the sensors we're updating all of our POV cameras on.
Okay.
And then a new 4K 1/3 inch Sony sensor that'll be available on the UHD 60 versions, which is 574 and 374.
And that's a small sensor for 4K. That's
right,
impressive.
very small. Yeah. And very good performing, as you can see.
Yeah.
But we'll be showing it off here, and you're the first person to see it.
We did speak about it on our preview day.
We did.
And the comment then was, we think you'll be shipping basically around
We'll
NAB.
be shipping a month after NAB.
Month after NAB.
So these are final production samples. So that means we're ready to go to production.
Oh, right. So you are ready.
They're fully tested, fully compatible, and will be approved for the NDI HX3 very soon.
Cool. And where can people find you at the show if they're going to come and have a look at
So we're booth C5520.
Cool.
You can also go to our website, marshall-usa.com, and you'll see the new cameras up there. And prices on these will be $900 for the full 4K version.
Okay.
And then about $750 market price for the HD versions.
Cool. So we're sort of in the middle of Central Hall. Come down and take a look if you're on your way over to NAB. And don't forget to have a look at all the other videos that we will have on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe.
See you soon.